Hello class! Today we're going to be talking about 2D shapes. Now I have two shapes up here on the board. Can anyone tell me what this shape is? A circle, right. Now, what makes a circle a circle? What are its attributes? Does it have any sides or any corners? No, a circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. Now what's this shape? A triangle. Good job. How many sides does a triangle have? What is a side? Yeah, these are the sides. Good job. These are the sides. And they have 3. Good. How many corners does a triangle have? 3. Yeah, right here, and right here, right? Great job. Shapes are made up of straight or curved lines and corners and sides. Remember, these are our sides. Circle doesn't have any sides because it has no straight lines. Okay, now I want you guys to look around the room for something that looks like a circle while I draw our next shape. When you got one, you can raise your hands. Great. Yeah, the pencil holder looks like it. The cup is a circle. The clock. Now what is this shape? A rectangle. You guys know your stuff. How many sides does a rectangle have? Should we count it out? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now, if it has 4 sides, how many corners do you think it has? A corner is where our 2 sides meet. So it'll be right here because our sides are meeting right here. How many corners does a rectangle have? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, 4 sides and 4 corners? That is crazy. Let's see if the pattern continues with our next shape. Now, what is this shape? A pentagon. I want you guys to think, pair, share with your table partners and find out how many sides and corners this guy has. I'll give you guys a few seconds to share with your partners. Remember, our corners where our sides meet, and these are our sides. Okay, it looks like everyone is done. How many sides did we come up with? 5. That sounds right. Let's count it out and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, our rectangle had 4 sides and 4 corners, and our triangle had 3 sides and 3 corners. If our pentagon has 5 sides, how many corners did you guys think it has? 5? I think so too. Let's double check just to make sure. We got our first, and our second, third, fourth, and fifth. Well, I think there's a pattern here. The last thing I want to go over is this little family right here. All of these are in the same family, but we're going to figure out why. Now, what do these all have in common? Right, the trapezoid has 4 sides. The kite has 4 sides. The parallelogram has 4 sides. The diamond has 4 sides. Yep, and the square and the rectangle both have 4 sides. That is one thing they all have in common. And what's the other thing they all have in common? Right, if they have 4 sides, they all have 4 corners. Right? We got our little corners. And anything with 4 sides and 4 corners is a quadrilateral. And under that definition, that means we can have some really funky shapes. Like even that is a well, let me redraw that. Even that is a quadrilateral. Because you have your 4 sides, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your 4 corners. So this family is called quadrilaterals. And that is going to wrap up our lesson.